can't stop a nigga progress.
My previous video where we went over my 2020 Q1 trading history. So now we'll be covering the second, third, and fourth quarter because I did not make a video covering one of the previous quarters, but we'll just cover it all together. So you guys can see, if you guys go back to the video and watch it, you'll see this was the final trade on April 17th, this Euro GBP trade, which is right over here. And so we'll start our history with here. So we were at $49,000 with 5% risk from 5K. But let's just say we withdrew our profit, so we withdrew $44,000, and we started again with $5,000, just for the benefit of the doubt, just to see how I would do again, how to start it from scratch. But yeah, it is what it is. So let's start April 17th. This is our first trade of the second quarter, and let's play it out. Let's see how it goes. So it was this trade, and it was stopped out, as you guys can see. My bad for that. And yeah, we're stopped out. So we would have lost 5%, and that would have been down to 50. Next trade is EJ. And see what happens. And yep, we would have also been stopped out, was slightly in profit around 1-to-1, and then it would have dropped. We followed the plan, so that's fine. Another 5% down. And then this trade is AUD-JPY on April 17th. So we're not going to count this trade because this was already from previous, so it already hit CP, but I didn't post it before, so we're not going to count it. We're going to count this trade because this is the one that we're looking at. And yeah, we would have got stop went into the absolute T by the wicks, and then TP would have nearly hit. So we're down another 5%. So that's 3 losses in a row. And the next, we're not going to count US 30 because I post this analysis for people just like see, but I don't post it to actually trade because I don't have enough data on US 30 for me to be trading it live yet. I only trade commodities and Ripple. That's it. I do Bitcoin analysis, but I don't trade Bitcoin because of the crazy spreads. So we're only going to count this trade because the entry point is there. We're not going to count this because I just have the idea there, but I'm not going to, I would post it again if I'm actually going to take the trade. And this would have been stopped out immediately. So we're down another 5%. And this is the gold trade. Now we're on UC. April 20th, 2020. 222. So yeah, this would have also got stopped out. And then we could have re-entered again once it came back, but nonetheless, it's a loss, so we'll count that down another 5%. It is what it is. A lot of traders, they would panic and over-leverage and blow their accounts, but since we are skilled, we know what's up, right? Like, I backtested it a lot, so I know that eventually the winners will cover it. So even this trade, we're up around 1 to 2-ish, but we got stop on it, so it is what it is, down another 5%. A lot of traders would try to revenge trade and try to make their money back, right? And in doing so, they would probably lose more money. And so yeah, it says I entered right after the push below. So since I'm posting the 4-hour time frame, so we can see it like now into the future, a couple months from this. So that's why the trade was actually here, but like the entry was there, but the 4-hour just shows like at this lowest point. And as you guys can see, it was a wick. So I had a wick entry and straight to TP. So since it's 6.4 risk to reward, we would have made at least 30% on this trade, because like 5% times 6 is 30. It would have been slightly more than 30%, but let's just say 30% for the benefit of the doubt. So if we made 30%, we'd be nearly back at entry. And yeah, that's why I manage risk, because I know eventually the winners will outdo all the losses, nonetheless, over time, right? That's why you gotta stick to your plan over time. See how this plays out. It's a gold trade. And yep, we would have got stopped up by the wick. Beautiful hanging man entry. That would have been awesome right here. Straight to TP. But nonetheless, it's a loss. And we keep going. Keep the marathon running. Your GBP trade from April 22nd. So yeah, we're not going to count this trade because, yeah, it says only valid if entry picked up plus exhaustion. So like, we can look at it again. One sec. It's not, yeah, we're not at the entry level. So yeah, we're not going to count this trade. I just posted ideas for potential trades, but yeah, we're not going to count this. Let's see this gold trade idea, April 22nd. Entered after push. So yeah, I entered there where it shows. Let's see how it plays out. And that would have been a stop hunt. It is what it is. Down another 5%. Let's see this Euro GBP trade. So it's entered where it shows. We're currently in profit, almost 1-to-1. And whoa, without a wick though, and straight to stop loss. Down another 5%. Let's go to USD CAD. Let's see how it plays out. And that would have been, yeah, so I would have essentially closed that because it would have been a 1-to-5 TP, but because for the benefit of the doubt, let's just say I put it to break even at the worst possible case scenario, because the risk reward is 1 to 9, but I never usually hold trades 1 to 9. I just have it in case for any potential runners. But yeah, 1 to 5 we usually close trades. But for the benefit of the doubt, let's just say we hit it at break even. So I'm not going to count this trade because I'm trying to be realistic as possible in accordance with my plan. Oh yeah, so this is NJ trade from April 22nd. Let's see how this plays out. And this was also stop hunted. So many stop hunts, but you know, it is what it is. You have losing streaks. It's part of the game, but as long as you manage risk, you'll eventually overcome them all. Hopefully, we'll see. But yeah, so yeah, this was another stop hunt, another down 5%. So yeah, a lot of traders, they would no longer have an account by this point. They would have blown their account after these made losses. But because we manage risk, it's fine. So EJ, crazy risk reward trade. Let's see how it plays out. Yep, another stop hunt. Down 369 Mafia. Down another 5%. So yeah, crazy losing streak over this period of trades. Like from what is it? It's from April 16th to April 23rd. Yeah, so about a week and a half, 2 weeks. Let's keep it pushing. Down a significant chunk, but we've followed the plan and keep it pushing. So yeah, GA. Let's see how it plays. And another stop hunt. Let's go. Down to 5%. 333. GJ. Let's see how she plays. So yeah, entry is usually where it shows. And this would have been another stop hunt. Damn, this is crazy, but it is what it is. Losing streaks are part of the systems. It happens, but let's just see if we can overcome it, if we can overcome the adversity. Well, this is the same trade. I just posted it twice. You can see April 23rd, April 23rd. So EJ, let's see how she plays. And another stop hunt. It is what it is. Damn, down 2K from the initial, but okay, what is this? I can't even. This is the next thing, so yeah. Let's see what this how she plays. And NSDJPY. Another stop hunt. Damn, that's actually crazy. UJ, these guys trying to ban me because I'm posting my YouTube videos on my link. It's my thing. I can do whatever I want, bro. Okay, finally a winner. So yeah, we would have made 30% return on this. More than 30%, but let's just say 30% for the sake, for the benefit of the doubt. Let's see how this gold trade played out. 1 to 5, RR. So yeah, this would have been up in profit and then came back to entry. So let's just say, like, it came back into profit like 2-3 times. So I would have definitely put this, actually for the benefit of the doubt, let's just say I took the loss. In reality, I would have definitely put it stop loss or break even, but for the benefit of this video, we will take the loss just to show my skill set. Regardless, any losses to the absolute T, and this is the same thing, plus 30%, slightly more, but you know, count for spread and all that. See this Euro NSD trade. Let's see how she plays. And a stop hunt down 5%. Euro NSD trade. Okay, wait. This is update. Whatever. Let's just see what it is. It's not at the entry level, so I'll count it anyways for the benefit of the video. Down 5%. Whatever. Fuck it. Gold trade idea. Let's see how she plays. 1 to 5 RR. And a stop hunt. Once again, the hanging man. Stop hunt, hanging man. So that would have been a good re-entry, but I don't think I posted the re-entry, so it is what it is. So yeah, we're not gonna count Bitcoin USD because I don't trade Bitcoin USD on live. Like, I don't trade it at all, to be honest. But like, I post the analysis, but I don't trade it. Let's see GBP NSD. Entry post exhaustion on small. All right, let's see how she plays. To the absolute T. Entries around here. So it's 5.11. Let's just say instead of making 25%, since we entered slightly later, it would be, the return would be around 23%. Because it's 5 times 5 would be 25%, but since it's like a little bit late entry, it'd be less return. But it is what it is. So yeah, we're nearly back at our initial. So that's when you manage risk, you know, like managing risk, we came back. So yeah, this would have definitely been hit at break even once we came back and we pushed into profit. But for the benefit of the video, we're going to take the loss. It is what it is. GJ trade idea. Stop hunted. Not even stop hunted, stopped out. Excuse me. And yeah, EJ. We're not gonna count this. Let's just see how it plays. Yeah, trade not initiated because we're not even there. Let's just see how it plays though. Yeah, that's solid. We didn't enter. Boom. Let's go. Yeah, so I'm not gonna count this because it's not a trade idea, but let's just see how she plays if it loads. Oh, came back, broke this level. This area would have been an awesome trade area. Yeah, that's alright. I don't really trade EA. I don't know why I did that, but so the thing you stopped, but now we're back. Wait, that was EA, correct? Yep, that was EA. Now we're back to number 13. So gold trade idea initiated. Let's see how she plays. 1 to 5 RR. And we would, no, it's the same trade idea. What am I saying? Yes, it's the same trade idea from before. So I'm not going to count this. And this is the EJ trade idea. Let's see how she plays. Stop hunted, down 5%. This is Bitcoin. We're not going to count this. What the hell? So this is, where are we? EJ. See how she plays. 1 to 9 risk to reward. Stop hunted again. Lessons to be learned. Come on, I was trying to buy it here, trying to buy it here, trying to buy it here again. Come on, man. He knows what it is. USD CAD trade idea. Let's see how she plays. Look, so many losses, and we're only down like 20%. And we had like what crazy amount of losses. Straight to TP, 1 to 5 risk to reward. That's an easy 25%. And boom, there you go. Back at initial. So even though we took so many trades and barely any winners, we're still at initial. That's what happens when you manage risk, you know. GBP JPY stopped out, down 5%. So this was kind of a break-even period. But it is what it is. It's part of the game. Let's see if we get picked up. And we got stopped out. Okay, it says didn't enter at New York as a massive bullish rejection. So I was waiting for exhaustion and boom, crazy bearish engulf. So yeah, I'm not going to count that because we did not enter the trade. But it would have been an awesome entry anywhere around here after these H4s exhaust. Clean to profit. EA trade idea. So yeah. So the video keeps stopping, but let's see how she plays. Stopped out. Like it would have went into profit around 1 to 2, so I would have put it to break even, but take the video, take the loss. Here AUD. Keep it going. NSDJPY. 1 to 5 risk reward. Another stop hunt. 2 to 2 right there. Your NSD. What does it say? So this is entry. See how she plays. And this would have been a straight stop hunt. But wait, let me see what this looks like. Did I say we entered? No, we didn't. It doesn't seem like we entered, so I'm not gonna be counting this. Let's go on to gold. Right around entry level, so yeah, definitely would have entered that. See how she plays. And we would have got stopped out. Down 5%. Okay, let's go. Your GBP. Right at entry level. And another stop out. It's kind of annoying, but whatever. Just gotta do it for the sake of the video, to show you guys the game, you know. If you can't take losses, you can't be a trader. So yeah, we would have been in profit 1 to 2. So for my current plan, I put stops to break even. But for the sake of the video, I'm not gonna do that. Like I put my stops to break even when I'm up 1 to 2 risk to reward. 3.96. Come on, hit this TP. To the T. So this is around 1 to 4 risk to reward. So that's 20% return. Your GBP. Let's see how UC plays. So yeah, this hit TP to the T. 1 to 5 risk to reward. So that would have been a 30% return. And now we are finally floating in profit. Finally. Gold trade idea. Let's see how she plays. Stop hunt. Nice. EJ. So this is why when you run the marathon, you finally win. Okay, boom. This is the same trade idea. I think I posted it again. So this was May 13th. Yeah, so we're not going to count that. And then your NSD. 444. Let's see what you. And we got stopped out. It would have been. Yeah, we got stopped out. It is what it is. And then it would have been an awesome entry at off these key levels over here, but yeah, it's fine. Let's keep it going. GBP JPY, right around entry level. And we would have got stopped out, down 5%. It is what it is. GBP NSD, see how she plays. Yeah, we got stopped out to the. Oh my god, we got stopped out by a few wicks, and that would have hit smash. That would have absolutely obliterated TP. That's like 1 to 15, but let's count it as a loss. It is what it is. GBP NSD, let's see, NSD JPY. Another stop hunt. Oh my god. Man, it sucks to be a trader at times, but the fruits of the craft pay dividends over time, so you gotta stay strong. You gotta stay aboard the ship. AUD JPY. And we would have got smoked on this as well. God damn. So yeah, if you guys are still watching to this point, I'm sorry, but I assure you that I will be profitable at the end. Significantly profitable. So yeah, it is what it is. This is like a losing streak, so yeah, this can test your discipline. Imagine this was your live trade. This is happening to you. How would your emotions feel? So yeah, another stop hunt. Learn from it. And then even when you skip forward in the video, you'll see the returns, the exponential. GBP AUD. Yeah, we would have been in profit like what, one to like, this is a very tight stop loss, right? Once, because it's like 1 to 16, so I would have definitely closed this around break even because this is not stop out. It went up to at least 1 to 5, so I'm not gonna count this because I would definitely have it at break even, but most likely I would close it at 1 to 5 right around there. But we're just gonna let that one be. AUD JPY, right at entry level, and another stop out. NSD JPY. Let's see how she plays. To the T, and that is 1 to 6 risk reward, so we would have made 30% return on that. And imagine if you extended the TP and let it run. This is 1 to 6. This would have been like a 1 to 40, 1 to 45%, 1 to 45 RR, which is like crazy return. I'm gonna do the math. Like what, like 200, 300% return. So yeah, your account would have been up. Just using 5% risk, but it is what it is. Let's go GBP AUD. You got stopped out, down 5%. Euro JPY. Another stop out. Oh man. So yeah, I took this trade. It was a live trade, but I posted it after, so it is what it is. We're not gonna count it, but yeah, for sure it was a win. Euro GBP again. Let's see. Wow, what an ugly entry. I deserve that loss. Why would I be even selling around here? Come on, man. Better than that. This was a key lesson though, right over here. Euro NSD off this major level. Stop hunted and flew the profit, but let's take the loss for the sake of the numbers game. Euro NSD. Let's go to Euro GBP now. 1 to 5 risk short trade to the absolute T. So we would have made 25% return on this. And if we let it run, that would have went to like 1 to 15-ish. GBP AUD. See how she plays. Stopped out. 444. So that's GBP AUD. Finally on page number 11. See how this is. Another gold trade. Let's see how it plays. Oh wow, would have got stop hunted by the wick. It is what it is. Let's keep it going. Yeah, I don't know why I wrote GA. It's probably in the morning. NSD JPY 1 to 5 risk reward to the absolute T, so we would have made 25% profit on this. Nearly back at entry level. So you manage risk, right? You stay in the game. No matter the drawdowns, you stay in the game. So let's count this loss. And had I not managed risk, man, my account would have been gone. Like 99% of traders by this point. But if you're relentless with your hustle, you will be relentless with your profits. Your NSD. Let's see how she plays. And yeah, I would have definitely closed that break even once we're up 1 to 2, but for the sake of the video, down 5%. Euro AUD. So yeah, this would have been closed. What kind of a loss? You know, just because we got stopped right over here before you even had this big bullish push. GBP AUD. Let's see how it plays right off the 61.8. And whoa, that would have been up there, but what a wick. So yeah, I'm gonna count as a loss. Because yeah, that would have been difficult to close it right at this hour. Like, who would have thought? I remember that one live. It sucked, but who gives a fook? To the T. To the absolute T, man. 1 to 5 plus 25%. My skill set got way sharper since these days. So this is the beginning of the year, so it's fine. But I refine my craft a lot. Another win. So yeah, to the absolute T. Oh, that's another 25%. And now we're finally in the winner's bracket. So you gotta stay in the game. And yeah, this is we're gonna count this as a loss, but we're up like 1 to 2. So in reality, right now, I'm putting in a break even right as we're up 1 to 2. But yeah, we'll count as a loss for the sake of the video. As I said, for like the 70th time. Your NSD. Wait, was that just your NSD? No, all right, your NSD. This just looks like a loss. Like I don't even gotta look at this. So yeah, down 5%. Like came back again. Wow, stopped up to the T, and then it is what it is. USD CAD. See how she plays? Oh my god. Stop hunt. Minus 5%. I would have re-entered again, but for the sake of the video, count as a loss. USD CAD is the same trade. This is, let's see, not sure. Yeah, it's the same trade, right? I'm not sure why I posted it twice. Whatever. GA stopped out. Down 5% again. Wow, what a beautiful run, right? Would have been a nice re-entry right over here. Let's keep going. That was GA, my bad. Gold trade idea, June 29th. Another stop out. In any other job, if you fail this much, they're firing your ass. But in trading, you can keep going. So yeah, this would have definitely been closed at break even after the first bullish push and the second bullish push. For the sake of the video, we down 5%. But in reality, that would have been a dub. I mean, that would have been at least break even for sure. GBP AUD. Trying to fight the monster. Let's go. Fought the monster and we won. So yeah, that's a 25% return. It's slightly more because it's 5.43, but let's just say it's 5. Euro GBP. Okay, yeah, closed in profit. I remember I closed this trade right around here, but for the sake of the video, I'm counting as a break even. But like once price exhausted around here, I closed it because I expect this level to break. And yeah, so we're gonna count as a break even trade because this was definitely closed in profit. And that was your JPY. My bad. I think I said your GBP, but it's fine. So finally on page 10, AUD JPY 1 to 5 risk reward, and we got smoked. Back to break even. Euro AUD. I don't even trade this pair anymore. So yeah, this is 1 to 5. Maybe I should trade this pair. I lied. Wow, that's actually a really solid setup. Euro NSD. Whoa, where am I entering? This is an intuitional entry. To the T plus 25%. And now you guys can see how the wins rack it up. Look at it. Look at the wins racketing up with the risk reward that we use. You know, you just gotta stay in the game long enough for the fruits of your craft to pay off. So this is a stop hunt. So now the losses probably don't seem as bad as they did at the beginning, 396. But that's why you gotta stay in the game. I'm not gonna count US oil. I only trade commodities. I mean, the only commodity I trade is gold, right? But let's just see how it plays for the sake of the video. Stop hunt and then straight to T. But yeah, we're not gonna count it because I don't trade this. Or I don't trade on live. I analyze it sometimes, but I don't trade it. Euro AUD to the T. That rhymes. Might just have to become a rapper. GBP JPY. So this trade did not initiate, but let's see this trade over here that we're selling. And to the absolute T. So we would have made around 4.83 risk reward. So what is that? That's like let's just say 23% return for the benefit of the doubt. GBP JPY. So yeah, our investment is already doubled, more than doubled, right? And look at the losing streak that we had. So most traders would have got smoked by that losing streak. Another 25% return trade. So this is why you manage risk. You got to say it again and again and again. GU trade idea. Let's see how she plays. This would have been a stop hunt. GU is actually not part of my plan, so I deserve this loss 100%. It's one of those days, you know, someone you see a good trade idea and you take it. So yeah, I posted this trade right over earlier, so then I'm not going to count it again. This is a completed gold trade idea. I'll show you guys for the sake of the video, but yeah, I'm not going to count it because I didn't post it before and after. But yeah, I show you I took this and I closed it exactly where it shows. I went to 3.4. My TP was at 1 to 5, but I closed at that area, so I just posted it at the area I closed. UC trade idea, stop hunt, and then boom. Let's count it as a loss. UC GJ trade idea. So yeah, I got stop hunted, and then that says I re-entered after the stop hunt. So, because it's a clean stop hunt, you know, the wick, the H4 closed right below. So let's just say we lost the initial entry 5%, and then we won the second entry, which was up 25%. So you guys can see the exponential gains over time of just staying in the game long enough for the fruits of your craft to finally pay off. So yeah, this would have been closed around break even, but for the sake of the video, we take the loss, even though it went to heavy profit twice. Like, kid you not, this is around like 150 pip profit when it comes down to here. Another over 100 pip profit. So I would have definitely closed, but for the sake of the video, we're taking the lesson that is. Oh yeah, so use the calculator idea 1 to 7 RR to the absolute T, so that's 35% gain. And boom, our investment is quadrupled from what was it, April, May, June, July. So 4 months, it's quadrupled using the same percentage risk, even with the crazy losing streak we had. So yeah, this went up nearly to TP and rejected this level. Like, so this would have definitely been closer to break even. I'm gonna count it as a break even trade because it went into profit twice heavily, and then like over here it was there's no way I'm letting this run. Like no way I'm letting the stops run. And oh look, 333 SL. But yeah, it is what it is. So that's definitely a break even trade. GA, Euro GBP. This is a loss, down 5%. GBP AUD. This was a stop hunt. So yeah, I was in the initial trade and then got smoked, down 5%. Then I re-entered because this was hit at break even, so I re-entered again. But it is what it is. It's a loss. Finally, page number 9. GBP NSD. Let's see how she plays. 1 to 5 RR. Stop hunted and then, oh my god, TP nearly to the T. So let's just take the loss. Gold trade idea. 1 to 5 RR. Yeah, that's a loss. I didn't even gotta zoom in on that. Down 5%. Euro JPY. 1 to 5. Another lesson in the books. NSD CAD entries where it shows, use the wick entry, and we got smoked. Let's keep it going. This is not also part of my plan. I don't know why I traded this. So yeah, I deserve the last 100%. And we got smoked on this as well. Your GBP. So yeah, I thought I would have re-entered after the stop pump, but I just count the loss because I didn't see I re-entered. And yeah, that would have been a like once you got stop entered on this one and it closed below, like right over here, a beautiful re-entry right anywhere over here, especially right after this bearish candle. Oh my god! But it is what it is. We count the L. You see trade idea 4.5 RR. Take the L. Your GBP trade idea. Let's see how it goes. I'm not going to count this trade because this was the trade from earlier, and I was still running in that. And either I close that or break even, and then I would add this trade idea. So that was definitely close or break even before I added this. Maybe after this exhaustion, I would reopen a new position, but yeah, it is what it is. EG, UC trade idea. Re-entered after I got stopped out there or something, or closed at break even, but wherever we take this loss. On the chin, Euro NSD, another lesson. NSD JPY, what's it, 5.65 restored, and another lesson. This is the same trade idea, just a different time frame, so I'm not going to post that. GA trade idea, see how it plays, red entry, and we got smoked. Once again, GA is not part of my plan, so I deserve the loss for sure. Another lesson in the books, 9693. Gold entry were shown, so yeah, I entered right around here. Let's see if it actually hits TP or, and it's okay. Wow, we got stop pointed, and then it goes to TP. Nice one, nice one. These trades usually trigger you the most because they hit TP after, but you get stop pointed and they hurt more than a losing streak. But that's human emotion, right? Euro AUD stopped out. It's not part of my plan, so yeah, you deserve that shit, Pipionaire. So yeah, over here I stopped posting a lot of trade ideas for my public page, just because I fucking felt like it. Down 5%. NJ trade idea. Ooh, the color change of the charts. You know what that means? Level up, son. NJ trade entry times 2. What the fuck does that mean? I'm counting this trade idea. I'm not counting this shit. So yeah, we got stopped out. Down 5%. Well, I think I was, yeah, whatever. I think I was in this trade earlier, and then we counted that loss, and this was the, yeah, we counted that loss, so this was the entry, and we counted this loss as well. So yeah, both losses were counted. I don't think I'm dodging losses, buddy. Your GBP 1 to 8 risk reward nearly. Wow, another loss. GBP JPY, another loss. So that's one loss. Let's see if this is a winner loss. Come on, man. Y'all really doing me this dirty? Or I'm doing myself this dirty. What is this? What the hell is this? I can't even tell. But I'm counting it as a loss because I'm not clear on it, so it counts as a loss to me. Let's keep it going. UC trade idea. See how it plays. Another lesson. Wow, down from 20K to where we are now. Another lesson. 5%. EJ. UC CAD trade idea. Let's see how it plays. Another lesson. GBP JPY. Another lesson. GA, another lesson. AUD JPY. Finally, a winner. 25% return. Let's go to AUD JPY. So this is TP. It's a 30% return. We got stopped out. All right, this is a winner. 30% return. Plus 30%. Floating at 8K. GA trade idea. It's not part of my plan, so I deserve this loss. Down 5%. Look at it bouncing between my zones. Like, why am I entering over here when my zone is over here? Come on, man. You're better than that, Pippi. Okay, re-entry. What is this? Not too sure. Let's see how it goes. And yeah, we got stopped out of this as well. Down 5%. Not part of the plan, so well-deserved losses. I just won't stop, eh? Finally, a winner. So it didn't hit TP, but definitely was closed around 1 to 5, so that's at least 25% return, the bare minimum. So the relentlessness paid out in that scenario. See how this goes. Stop hunt, and then would have been an awesome place to re-enter, but probably didn't, so we'll just count the loss. Euro GBP to the T. So yeah, we would have made around 27% return on this trade. GBP JPY. This looks kind of ugly. We came back and see it played. So yeah, I would have definitely closed it right after these wicks. So that would have been around 1 to 4 RR. That's around 20% return. And I also size up on these trade ideas. Oftentimes, once it's in profit, so the winners are usually bigger than what you've seen. But for the sake of the video, we're not going to count that, right? Your GBP trade idea, let's see how it plays. To the T, so that's another 25% return. UC, 25%. And we back, baby. So you manage risk. This is a 5-minute. It's not gonna even load, bruv. Exactly. This trade idea played out, but I'm not gonna count it. Or this one we're gonna count. And to the T, 25%. And look at that. I made 5 bands on 1 trade. So that was my initial capital at the start. So you manage risk, it pays off over time, right? Pays dividends over time. GA took a loss. Euro JPY, my bad. See how it goes. To the T, up 25%. Boom. GBP AUD got smoked. Smoke, bruv. Let's go. USD CAD. Clean trade idea from the past. 1 to 9 risk reward. Damn. It is what it is. We're not gonna count that. We're looking at this one though. And we got smoked. Let's keep it pushing. Is this the same trade idea? Yes, it is the same trade idea. Never mind. It is not the same trade idea. And this would have been definitely closed around over here. So we didn't hit 1 to 5, but 1 to 4 would have been right here. For the sake of the video, let's say we closed at 1 to 3 right around here. So that would have been 15% return. Euro GBP short trade idea, 1 to 5 RR. Took a lesson. Let's go gold. Money. So yeah, that would have smashed TP at 1 to 5. plus 25% RR. Gold trade idea. I believe it's the same trade idea. Yep, it's the same trade idea. Oh wait, no, it says later on in the future. It's another one because that was somewhere here. And then let's see how it plays. 2 of the absolute T, so another 25%. GG trade idea. 1 to 5 RR. I would definitely close this once this volume starts slowing down, or put it to break even for sure, right? But for the sake of the video, we take the 5% loss. USD CAD trade idea. Let's see how it plays. And that would hit CP. So that's 25% return. So we look at the percentages game, you know? We're not looking at no... look at the accuracy on that, buddy. Look at the accuracy on that. We had these longs. 2 of the absolute T. Gold re-entry, so I would have sized up there, but I'm not going to count this. Actually, I'm going to count it because I posted it, right? So that's another 25%. And now you guys see the exponential payout of following the plan. So hopefully that teaches you guys a thing or two. We're not going to count this trade idea because this was from before. And then let's see how this additional entry plays. Down 5%. NSDJPY trade idea. We're not going to count this. I posted from before, but let's count this one right over here. And we would have got smoked. So even though we had a crazy losing streak, even the win rate is significantly low. Like, you know, like lower than what you would expect, I would say. Not low, but lower than what you would expect. Because a lot of traders, they'd be saying, oh, we have an 80%, 90% win rate. Buddy, you don't need to have an 80, 90% win rate to be profitable. Unless you're getting like 1-to-1 risk reward, you know, but we're going for crazy risk reward. So this trade was definitely closing profit. It's like 200 pips profit or some shit. But let's just say for the sake of the video, since it didn't go all the way, let's just say we closed it at the minimum case scenario at 1 to 2, which would have been 10% return. XU long, UC long. Let's see how it goes. We posted the trade idea twice. This is the earlier trade idea we looked at. XU trade idea. Let's see how it plays. Another entry. And that would have been closed definitely right around here. Like, come on, coming to this price is not breaking it 3 times. So let's just say the worst case scenario again. We close it at 1 to 2, which would have been 10% gain. XU USD CAD trade idea. And we would have got smoked, down 5%. Euro GBP, Euro JPY, my bad. Am I saying down 5%? Lessons in the books. Gold longs. And we would have got smoked, down 5%. Euro NSD. That's a lesson. Down another 5%. Now these losses probably don't look as bad just because you guys finally see my mindset when I'm trading. You know, I'm looking at what you're seeing now at the end of the video, but I have the same mindset even when I'm going through my losing streaks, right? So it is what it is. 1 to 5 risk reward. And we would have got stopped out, down 5%. And now on each trade, I'm losing approximately USD 30 trade a day, so we're not going to count this. We'll just look at it for the sake of looking at it, just because I'm curious. Okay, well. USD CAD trade idea. Stop out. And then give us awesome re-entry later on, but it is what it is. So this is not a trade idea. Let's just see how it plays though. Just because I do these arrows. Ooh, pretty clean. Went up. Came back to test this level. Went up. Came back to test this level. Boom. That is what you call intuition. Developed over thousands and thousands of trades and backtesting for hours every single day. And of course, it doesn't always work, but it is what it is. XU trade idea. Another lesson. I think it's the same trade idea. Yep, the same trade idea, different time frame. Same trade idea. Let's see this GG trade. There we go. Money plus 25% since we're risking 5% per trade. And now we're finally on the 5th page. So this is the same trade idea. GJ 4 hour. This is EJ long from November 4th. To the absolute T. I would have definitely closed it somewhere here, but whatever. Just say, what is that? Around 25% return. And managing risk pays exponential dividends, as you guys can see now. Exponential dividends, buddy. Exponential. NJ trade idea. Yeah, this is the same trade idea I posted on the daily. Yeah. I think EJ was the same trade. Yep, EJ also I posted various times. EJ and NJ the same trade idea. Yeah. So no, this NJ trade is new. No, this is the number 4, my bad. This is a new trade. EJ over here. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, we got stopped up on this entry. NSDJPY, and we would have got stopped out. And it's the same trade? Nope, separate trade. November 20, 2020. Down 5%. Gold trade idea. So this is the trade idea. This is probably just a buy stop or something like that, but it's the main trade idea we're looking at. And yeah, that would have been a loss. It would have went into profit and then been a loss, but it is nonetheless a loss. UC longs, IC shorts. And what I see is always right. Let's go lesson, buddy. NJ, this is definitely a loss. Down 5%. EJ, definitely a loss. Down another 5%. GBP, JPY, another one. Word to DJ Khaled. Your GBP. Money. This one's money. I can just feel it. I can just feel it. And it's money. 1 to 5 RR plus 25%. You guys might be thinking it might have hit my stop loss just because right over here, but my stop loss is always a few wicks below just because I know, because I give room for spread, right? Every single time. 1 to 5 RR. Lesson in the books. Down 5%. GBP JPY December 3rd. Loss. I'm gonna count these losses together. 1 sec. Or no, wait, that was the losses of the win. My bad. Down 5%, and this is up 25%. So I was waiting. If price came here, I would have sold. But once price closed below, clean entry, money shot. Trade finally on the 4th page. GBP JPY entry where price shows, and this one would have been definitely closed at break even because once we closed exhausted below, came broke below, came back above. This is definitely at break even, so it's not going to be counted. Your GBP. Same thing with this one. It was in profit, broke above, and then I put my stop loss to break even once it broke this area over here. And so this is not going to be counted as well. Like it nearly hit TP, right? But I had it at break even for sure. Your JPY 1 to 5 RR, 2 to T money shot right here. 1 to 5 RR plus 25%. XRP USD trade idea. So yeah, we're not gonna count cryptos, but we'll just look at them for fun. So yeah, that's what in profit 1-to-1 and boom ski. So you have some winners too. I don't think I'm just not counting them because of the losses, but it's the winner. Wait, let's see it properly. Yup, clean winner. See all these other trades. So yeah, these are these trades from XRP USD. There's a lot. I'm not trying to look at all of them. There's actually a lot. Let's look at some of them. Let's look at it for fun. That's a money shot right there, man. This is the melt. I see this as well. That's money. That shit's money right there to the freaking moon. Oh, this is NJ. My bad. I gotta count this one. Thought it was XRP USD. So it's 1-to-5 RR, and that's money, 25%. So we're risking the same percent, but now I nearly made 50 grand on a trade. So I nearly made 10 times my initial capital on a single trade because I was managing risk from the jump, from the get go. Second entry got stopped out, so we're down 5%. Hopefully this video teaches you a thing about trading. And this was definitely closed right around here. This will not been stopped because of my spread. Actually, I'm gonna count as a loss because my spread's like literally would have just hit my spread stop loss. These are the worst, man. These are the absolute worst. Gold trade idea, 1-to-5 RR, and it hits TP to the T plus 25%. The same trade idea. Nope, this is a separate trade idea. And this also hit TP at 1-to-4, so that's 20% return. Yeah, so this is the same trade idea. I'm not gonna count this because this is the buy stop I had. I mean, sell stop I had because we're already in this trade over here, like the previous one. Yeah, let's see how UC plays. This looks clean. See, I would have definitely closed this at around 1-to-4, but let's just say for the sake of the video, we close it at 1-to-3, or even let's just say we close it at 1-to-2, so we close it at 10%. US 30, so yeah, we're not gonna count this, but let's just see how it plays for the sake of the video. If it loads, fuckery as usual. That's why I don't trade this. I don't trade it yet. But once I tame the beast, y'all probably see in 2021 video if I choose to make one. So I'm not gonna count this. Let's just see the video for fun. When I went to profit area, and then came back. It is what it is. I'm not gonna look at every single XRP used to trade. Ain't nobody got time for that. I don't trade this pair. I just took someone else's call. Actually, I analyzed it, and it was in agreement with my plan. So yeah, my laptop's gonna die. So we're gonna come back in the next video. Let's just finish this last trade right here. You see. Oh my god. This is a loss. So yeah, we'll come back in a sec on this trade over here. December 14th, gold. Off at this trade over here. What the hell has happened? So yeah, we're at around 320,000. I forgot the exact number, but fuck, I pressed the wrong button, so whatever. So yeah, we took a loss right here, down 5%. UC trade idea, sell. Oh yeah, so it went to profit, but it returned. But I would definitely close it around anywhere around. I would put it to break even, right? Let's just say I didn't close in profit. Worst case, I hit break even, but like it's such a big fall, definitely going to break even. So we're not counting that. XRP, we are not looking at. GBP JPY, let's go. 1-to-5 RR. What happened? Okay, this would have. Oh man, stop pump by the wick. It is what it is. It would have hit TP, but fuck, man. It is what it is. It's the game. It's the game we play. This crazy game. down 5%. 4 there. You just sell limit. Oh my god, I had this sell limit set, man. Oh my god, missed it by the freaking missed it by the pip. Look at this, came nearly to my entry. Oh my god, and then it freaking melted. These ones hurt more than anything. Like the potential money you would have made will hurt you more than any money you ever lose. So entry where it shows, and to the T 1 to 5 risk reward. Actually, nah. This was a buy. This is a buy stop. I'm not gonna cap. This is a buy stop. I had buy limit. Same thing with the. I had both these together, and they both freaking missed by a few pips. Like, come on, man. Like, I didn't want to enter there. I was waiting for it to drop slightly more, but she didn't want to drop. It is what it is. Gold trade idea. Smoked. Yep, up, yep. So we went 1 to 1, and then it reversed. So whatever, we count the L, down 5%. Euro GBP. My bad, it was Euro JPY. I don't know why I keep saying Euro GBP. Alright, this one was saved to buy the pip, up 25%. Because my stop loss is slightly more just because of spread and stuff, as I said before. It is what it is. To the absolute T. Even the second entry would have been picked up right to the T. EJ. Finally, on the second page, we're nearly done. NJ trade idea. Let's go. Stop out. Yep, stop out. Down 5%. Gold. TP. Okay, yeah, close it around here somewhere. Especially after this third exhaustion is cut right here. So that would have been around 1 to 3.5, but for the sake of the video, let's just say we closed at 1 to 2, worst case. That would have been 10%. USD CAD trade idea. Ugly ass entry. Take that L. Pull the boy. Let's see your JP what to the money shot. Let's go to the T. 1 to 6 RR. It's 1.64, but it definitely hit 1 to 6 around here. So that's 30% return. Whoa, that's a 6-figure trade right there. 6-figure trade. That's 20 times our initial capital. So that's why you manage risk. That is why you manage risk. That is why you manage risk, bro. It's the same trade. Gold. My buys were short over here, and then it broke above. We adapted, buddy. And you adapt, and you get paid. If you don't adapt, you get slayed. Another 6-figure trade. Well, that was fire. That was actually a fire line. You adapt, you get paid. You don't adapt, you get slayed. Boom. Another loss. This was also not my trade idea. This was someone else's. So I wasn't following the plan, so I deserved the loss. GJ. How you gonna treat me? Not well, it is. Let's see. GJ, you son of a gun. USD CAD. Stop out season. Bands maker dance. Alright, 1 to 5 RR. Stop hunt season. This would have been put to break even at 1 to 2 RR automatically from my new program, but it is what it is. Count the L. NJ. Oh, this is a loss. I don't even want to play it. Like, look at this shit. It's so ugly. NJ. XRP. Oh, I'm just going to show you guys because it's the same trade idea. Like, this was slightly later. But look at this. Come on. Look at this beauty. Boom. You know how many pips this is on NJ? I mean, on XRP USD? This was like the craziest fall after SEC stuff happened. So XRP. I analyze it, but I won't trade it. Not anymore. I traded it like last year a bit, but it wasn't for me, so we don't trade this. I analyze it though, just to improve my skill set, because one day I probably will trade it if it is, if it passes the regulations and all that. But I'm not too much into crypto, so I'm a trader, man. I'm into commodities and currency pairs, but they all follow technical analysis, so I'll still slay them anyways. But they're not my bread and butter, right? Down 5% on this. EJ. And now just look at this. Take this beauty in. See this line right here? I had this drawn before any of this happened. See this blue line? Just look at this blue arc, right? Boom. Look at the beauty of that. Look at the beauty. Respected to the T, respected to the T, respected to the T, respected to the absolute T. When it breaks above, it's no longer a sell, buddy. Now it's a buy. So yeah, this was definitely saved. Let's just say we got stopped out and I re-entered for the sake of the video. But I definitely re-entered this. So down 5%. So plus, it's a 1 to 5 risk reward trade. So we're going to make 25%. Euro JPY, NSD JPY. Let's see how she goes. And she says no. Leave me alone. So we leave her alone and take the L. GJ floating trades, or I was entered right around there. Oh my god, this shit slaughtered me. Shit slaughtered me. And I kept getting slaughtered over and over. Like, we'll see in the future. What is this? Oh, this is clean. To the T. Nearly 1 to 5 RR. I closed it right around here since it was literally the day before New Year's. So I closed it around 1 to 4.5. So 60 video, let's just say it's 20% return. This is beautiful. This is my Christmas gift right over here. GBP JPY Slaughter Gang. Shut up 21. Down 5%. XRP roadmap. Alright, that is it. That is my 2020 trading history. I hope you guys enjoyed. And that's what a skill set does for you. That is how much percent return? That is 8,520% return using 5% risk. Nothing more, nothing less. All of my trades from A to Z from the second to the fourth quarter. And that's why you guys manage risk. And at the beginning of the video, you guys probably saw my losing streak. And that did not do shit to us. That does not affect our mentality, because we still ended the year with crazy profits from just $5,000. Alright, enjoy guys. Peace.
Going blind, to hide your tears. Had a lot of murder on my mind, but in God I fear. Took Youngton and Crenshaw around the globe in a year. Remember riding solo knives, Escalades in my rear. I just hustle, motivate, be prolific, hold down the state. My big brother hustled the great. I know Kyrie Supreme relate. I know J-Rock Hoggy relate. Black Sam Adam relate. Key to J Stone relate. Lauren Pac-Man, it's love I wanna see. I wish I knew when the storm came.